If you are watching this video on a Westinghouse Roku TV, you are most likely not hearing any sound at all. So let's go through the most common causes for this no sound issue and how to fix it. First, before anything else, from the side panels, go to Settings, from there to Audio, then navigate towards Audio Output. If you're not using a soundbar right now, don't leave Audio Output set to HDMI ARC. In that case, your TV remote may not be able to control the volume. Just go ahead and set it to TV's built-in speakers or auto. If the problem persists, could simply be a temporary software glitch. We're going to perform a cold boot by unplugging the TV from the power for about 1 minute and then plug it back in and turn it on again. Now, if that still didn't solve the no sound problem, we're going to reset the TV's audio and picture settings. So once again, from the side panel, go to Settings, to System, to Advanced System Settings, to Factory Reset Options, and then navigate towards Reset TV Audio/Picture Settings. And as prompted, press the Play Pause button on a remote 3 times to confirm it. Once the reset is complete, just go back wherever you were trying to watch, and the volume issue should be resolved after that. Now, if this problem is kind of recurring, comes and goes, the final step is just come back in here, and if you want, you can perform a full factory reset of the TV. Hopefully one of the processes I've shown you helped you solve the problem. Let us know in the comments. Thanks for your time.